So I get it. Instead of you trading the US30 or Nasdaq on the Forex side, you jumped over to the future side where things seems a lot better over there, where you can trade the Nasdaq for 1 or 2 points and get about the market. Do that a number of times a day, slightly elevating your volume, and you made a bag. But what if I told you that you're leaving so much money on the table doing it that way? And I'm actually able to train you to trade on the US30 and the Nasdaq, although you're on the future side. Now, all of this is done using my trading framework, which is comprised of LCS, VPAS, TPES, SIT, and SMS. And let me give you a glimpse of what it is that I'm doing in my US30 Telegram so that you can realize that how you're getting into the market for 1 or 2 points, you'll be leaving so much money on the table. Check this out. So I had already given my students the 300+ point signal that the US30 would drop. So when I left the crib and I whipped out the phone and I saw that the market had come down to a great support level, I proceeded to give them the next signal that the market will go up. Now, this is what you guys can see on the screen here. The market was setting up to go to the upside. Now, I'm gonna put on the MT4 overlay of the chart, and I want you guys to compare what you can see on my cell phone. I'm gonna let you guys listen to it. Compare what you see on the cell phone to where the market actually resulted. All right, the market ran up 700+ points in one direction. Check this out. So even though the market is shown to be going up right now, and remember, this is all from a cell phone analysis, so the market is showing signs of going up. What we have to do is we have to let the market go up and look for the resistance level that it could bounce off of. With the type of rejection that we realized at that multi-head and shoulders that we had earlier, that's major. So for it to drop down and drop below our double zone as we saw today, just like yesterday, but much earlier than yesterday, that says a lot. All right, so anticipate the market going back up, but what I would do is I would anticipate the market going up and then perhaps bouncing off of a resistance level. Now, if you notice here, both arrows are pointing to the same candle, just one on my cell phone, the other one is on the MT4. But notice after I gave them the signal, the market went right up. It went all the way up. Now, it did stop, like I said expect the market to stop at some resistance level and bounce, and the market did. It pulled back from the double zone that I pointed out as well. That's the same level that we were watching that I gave you guys signals on throughout last week and earlier this week on my YouTube live stream. All right, the same zone. All right, now after it did that, it continued trucking for 700 points to the upside. And I'm telling you, if you're trading on the futures market and you're trading on the US30 or the Nasdaq and you're getting in for a point or two here or there, you're leaving all that money on the table. You can learn my trading framework and run the market all the way up like that. Now, obviously, not every move is going to be a 700-point move like the signal I gave my students yesterday. But at least you'll be able to use my trading framework, which would increase the chance of you making more money while being more confident. And if you guys are ready to see what I have to offer, I want you guys to get connected.